Hey guys, it's Agatha here. In this video, we're going to teach you how to install the DNP RX1 driver. So the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen. I'm going to show you I'm on Chrome, and I'm going to type in DNP RX1 driver download. So driver, and we're going to be using, there's Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm going to just show you really quick. So you're going to get something like this. You're going to see right here where it says DNP Imaging Com downloads. Click on that link, okay? So click on that link and then it will take you to their website that will have all of their downloads. So first we find the RX1HS. It will show us every single driver. So those of you that are Windows 10, you're going to download Windows 10. I have Windows 11 on this computer, so I'm going to click on Windows 11, click on Acknowledge, Submit, and then it will give me the downloaded option. So I'm going to save it into my downloads and hit Save. You're going to see this top little area up here. There's like the little download area. So we're going to wait for that to download. Once it downloads, then we're going to unzip it, which is like uncompress the files, and then we're going to run the actual file. So that way we can install it and we can properly use our driver with our printer. So this is the steps that you're going to need to take in order for you to use your printer. Sorry for that background noise. My dog's playing with their toys. Okay. Waiting for that. Move this out of the way. So we're still waiting for this to be complete. So 50 seconds. So you cannot skip this at all. The good thing is it's like a one-time download. Once you install it, you're ready to go. But if you haven't done this yet, you will have to do this. You cannot skip this. Otherwise, even if you connect your printer, it will not work unless you download this driver. So make sure you do that, and it will work perfectly fine. On this printer specifically, you will be able to do the 2x6s and the 4x6 postcards, which is nice. And you don't have all you're gonna do is just go on LumaBooth and change, those settings under the main printer or the secondary printer. But that'll be in a different video. This is mainly just to install your driver. So once it's done downloading, we're gonna click on it. And at the moment, it's not usable. So you're going to have to click on it one time, okay? And click on extract all. You have to do this, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay? Once you hit extract all, hit extract. There it is. So now we're done. So that means it's a usable file. So if we click on it, it does not give us the extract option now. We're going to double click here, double click here. We're going to double click on 11 and driver install. Once you do this, a window pops up and you're gonna hit run. Then it's going to ask you, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Yes, I do. Now we're gonna click on next and finish. And that's it. Once you get that little green check mark, you're good to go. And now you're able to use your printer successfully as the DNP RX1. If this video helped you, please, please, please hit that like button. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel as we are always posting new videos to help you guys out with your photo booth business. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.